In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add increase or decrease trend arrows in Google Sheets. This is a handy trick for visualizing numerical data by using a simple yet effective technique, custom number formats. By the end of this video, you'll be able to see at a glance which numbers are trending upwards and which are trending down. Start by opening your Google Sheets document and selecting the cell you'd like to apply the custom format to. This could be any cell that contains numerical data you wish to analyze visually. Once you've selected your desired cell, look towards the top of your screen for the Format tab. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu, and within that menu, you will find the Number option. Hover over or click on Number, and another set of options will appear. From these options, you're going to choose Custom Number Format. This is where the magic happens. Once you have the Custom Number Format window open, take a moment to consider the data you're working with. Are these whole numbers, or do you have decimal points? Do you want the numbers to appear as percentages? Knowing this will help you craft the right format for your needs. Let's create our custom format. Begin by typing the word green inside square brackets. After you've done this, we'll add an up arrow symbol to indicate a positive trend or an increase. If you don't know how to type this character from your keyboard, you can easily copy it from an online source and paste it directly into the custom number format field. Next, you'll need to decide on the level of detail you require. Enter a 0 for whole numbers, or 0.0 if you want to include a decimal point. This is going to show the numerical value that follows the arrow. Following this, you'll add a semicolon, which serves as a separator in the format string techniques. Now, type the word red inside square brackets. After doing this, paste a down arrow symbol, mirroring the steps you took for the green up arrow. This red arrow will indicate a negative trend, essentially pointing out the decreases in your data set. Again, you'll want to follow this with the same number format as before, 0 or 0.0, ensuring consistent measurement representation. Once you have set up your custom format, click Apply, and there you go. The selected cell now clearly shows increases with green upward arrows and decreases with red downward arrows right next to the numbers. Finally, if you're working with percentages, there's a quick addition you can make to finalize the process. Simply take the custom number format you've just created and add a %% immediately after the number format. This helps in cases where you're dealing with data in percentage terms. And that's all there is to it. You have successfully enhanced your Google Sheets with trend arrows, making it much simpler to visualize trends directly within your dataset.